Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to part 2 of this Woody makeup from the movie Toy Story. I transformed into him in the previous video. If you haven't seen it, check the link down in the description box below. But today we're going to do a creepy twist because Woody is known for the saying, "There's a snake in my boot." So what if the snake came up and bit his face, huh? So we're going to try to achieve that today with real bite marks. Well, they're not real, but they look real. Like a fake wound, and we're gonna paint a snake on her face. So who thought this creepy makeup would turn even creepier? If you are scared of snakes, I'm so sorry, but let's get started. First, I'm gonna take my cowboy hat off to paint on my face. I don't know why I needed to do this, maybe to focus better, and I don't like the cast of the shadow from the hat being extra. Anyways, I got some brown aqua paint, as you can see here, with a tiny detailed paintbrush to do the outline of a snake. I found a snake on Google with his mouth open, about to strike, and that's what I'm using as my reference picture. As you can see, I got some white aqua paint to do the underbelly and underneath of the snake's mouth, while it's gaping open, about to chomp down on Woody's face. You can't forget the fangs as well. Then we are gonna grab our black cream paint with a tiny square rectangle brush and color in the deep depths of his mouth, shadow in the upper roof of his mouth around those white fangs that we painted on, giving some shadow dimension, and we're even putting where his eyeball's gonna be and some dark colors on his nose. Now I'm just grabbing some red cream paint and doing his tongue flicked out of the snake. Getting that black cream paint again and doing some body marks and some shadow on his back. Then I got some green cream paint and painted the top of the snake's body. Then I'm gonna mix in some brown cream paint with that because snakes are sometimes greenish brown. They look kind of like a mix of mud, the colors of them, to blend in with their environment. And I'm gonna paint the underbelly of him as well, not on top of the white, just right under that. Painting the rest of the body of the snake, extending it out like that, and putting some more brown and black cream paint on the tip of his nose, doing some detail and shadows. Again, reference pictures really help. I got some black cream paint, did some dots of like the shadows of if the scales were there, and all the grooves on his underbelly as well. Now to outline the detail of the snake and especially his eyeball, I'm using some NYX matte liquid black eyeliner right here to color in his eyeball and to outline his fangs as well. You want to do the roof of his mouth, around his face, the bottom part of his jaw as well where his tongue is flicking out to outline his body to make him stand out more. We're trying to make it look as realistic as possible, even though Woody himself is a cartoon character, which isn't very realistic, but this I would imagine him embodies if he came to life as a full-size, human-size plastic doll, which is creepy in itself, especially if it's being bitten by a snake. Again, just doing some outlines on his body, extending it to our neck. You could do as much of the body you want on the neck, wrapping around his neck and body. And we cannot forget to make sure his fangs are pristinely white so you can see them, they don't disappear. Now it's time for the snake wound. I am using this 3D silicone material from Dermaflage that I've used in my previous video. That is the color of a real life wound. I'll make sure to put the link down below to this product. I've used it before in many videos, but they kind of look like pimples, but also like a rash that's raised. This product is one of my favorites. It's so helpful in the makeup effects industry. Once you have these pimple looking bite marks on your face, we're gonna get some blood gel, fake blood of course, by Mayron with a Q-tip to do drips of blood coming out of the snake bite wound on Woody's face. And then, once that is dripping down and looks realistic enough, I'm getting a red stipple sponge with some red cream paint to do some rash and irritation of that poison from the snake, maybe setting into his face a little bit. Putting Woody's cowboy hat back on, fixing my outfit. And with that, we're completely done with our Woody from Toy Story makeup transformation if he was being bitten by a snake. Because there's a snake in his boot that crawled up and bit him in the face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it didn't scare you too much and won't into your nightmares, especially if you're afraid of snakes. I know many people are. Thank you so much for watching this video, giving me so much inspiration. I can't wait to do more characters on this channel, subscribe for more videos. I'll definitely be doing more. Thank you all so much. Thumbs up to this video if you want to see more Toy Story characters. Now it's time for me to turn back into myself. If you guys do this makeup or any makeup from my YouTube channel, even like a snake painting on your face, please post on your Instagram accounts and #KatSketch. I would love to see it. Like it and share it. Make sure if you're using prosthetics that you take it off correctly using isopropyl myricate, letting that soak. Don't rip prosthetics off or liquid latex off your face because it could damage the first layers of your skin. Again, all the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. I can't wait to show you guys more videos, so many projects I am currently working on. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video on this YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Bye!